Hi, I'm Jase. I'm going to be building this Attack on the Spider Lair Lego set. I remember the box, which I did throw away, but I could remember that it is a 644-piece Lego set, and is actually very big, especially bag 2. I also had to sort these out into 2 bins. That's bag 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I think this is a really cool Lego set to build on YouTube. I think you would like it. This is the end of the video. I hope you liked this video of attacking the spider lair. I don't actually know how I did that. I actually set it to less than an hour and 30 minutes build. So I just don't know how I did all 644 minutes in less than an hour and 30 minutes too, but I hope you guys like it. Like and subscribe, and this is the end of the video. Bye.